Hi everybody, my name is LaTanya Kristina. Welcome to my channel of all things life, love, and beauty. And today, at the request of a couple of friends, they were asking about my latest skincare routine. And as we all know, whether you wear makeup or not, a skincare routine or regimen is imperative. You want to keep your skin hydrated, you want to drink a lot of water, you want to moisturize, because all this glow like J-Lo, it just doesn't happen naturally. So, well, actually some of it happens naturally, but not all of it happens naturally, but that's beside the point. So I said, okay, I need to do an updated skincare routine. I did one a little while ago using my Mary Kay products, and I love Mary Kay's products. I'm not cheating on you, Mary Kay. I just kind of ventured out into other products, and I've tried a lot of other different products, and they work fine, but the one line of skincare that I love right now is by Murad. And a friend of mine, gave me some samples of Murad, and I love it. So I bought like the whole line, and I use it every day, twice a day. And it's a cleanser. I have a couple different types of moisturizers and eye cream. So that's going to be the focal point of my video today, is my skincare routine, which again, skincare and keeping your skin clean and hydrated, makeup or not, is very important. So I'm going to show you, and I'm going to demonstrate, how I use the Murad products. And as well as an added bonus is I'm going to do a clay mask today too. So, because I usually try to do that once a week. I exfoliate, maybe once or twice a week, but today I'm going to do a clay mask. And so here's some of the products I'm going to be using today. So as far as the Murad products, there is this Essential C Cleanser Environmental Shield. It's got vitamins A, C, and E in it. The vitamin C you can smell, so it smells very citrusy, and I really like that. And then I also have the Pore Rescue Skin Smoothing Polish. This is an exfoliator, so I did this a few days ago, so I'm not going to demonstrate this today, but I wanted to just show you that this is part of the line that I'm using right now. And I have a couple different types of moisturizers. So for during the day, you need a moisturizer with sunscreen. So I use the Pore Rescue Balancing Moisturizer, and it's got SPF 15 in it. I love this. It smells good too, and it's light, and it goes great and helps when I'm getting ready to put on makeup. My moisturizer that I wear in the evening is this one here, because you don't always need sunscreen at night, go figure. But it's the Hydrodynamic oh God, I haven't even had wine yet. Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisturizer. So I really like this one a lot. I really like this a lot, and I use this at night. And then for those of us with mature eyes, I use the Murad Renewing Eye Cream. So again, for those of us with mature eyes, and that kind of goes just kind of here, and helps maintain any of those fine lines you have or anything of that nature. Now, as far as the clay mask I'm going to be using today, is I'm going to be using this Dior Pores Away Pink Clay Mask. This was a splurge for me, because I think this was about $70 when I purchased this a little while ago, and it smells just so beautiful. It has such a beautiful smell, and it's definitely got the the clay texture, and it sets and it dries pretty quickly. So I'm going to use this today. I'm going to demonstrate how I use this today. And again, this is a clay mask, or sometimes I do a charcoal mask. It just depends, but today it's going to be this mask today. And it's easy. You apply it, you leave it on for 2 or 3 minutes, and then you wash it off. So it's really easy. It makes my skin feel really good, and like I said, it smells really good too. So hopefully you will enjoy this today. Stick around as I update my skincare routine. Stick around. Hi, so we're just gonna jump right into the skin regimen. You see, I pulled my hair back. Gotta have your face clear and all that. So I'm going to start off with the cleanser, the Essential C cleanser, the one that I told you smells really, really good, like vitamin C. So I'm just going to take a little in my hand, like a dime size amount, just enough. Rub it together and get it all lathered up. And just kind of work it in, massage it into my face. You don't need a lot. The water is really kind of lukewarm, so, and I can stand it pretty hot, just not today. All right, so I'm going to rinse this, because once I rinse this, I'm going to go straight into the clay moisturizer, the one by Dior that smells really, really good. Oh my goodness. If you can, get this, because this stuff smells really, really good. All right, so I'm just going to take a couple fingers here, kind of dip it in there, get it all over my face, my ear too. Just kind of spread it all over. And remember, you want to definitely try to avoid, eye areas, your eye area, for sure. Definitely don't want to get anything over there. And just kind of get it in here. Now, that's a mask. Okay. And this is really, of course, I always get it in my hair, because why would I not get it in my hair? Okay. So, you leave it on for, I missed a spot. So let's kind of clean that up there on the side of my nose there. And this really, the clay mask kind of helps minimize, those pores a lot of times. And a lot of times when I get out of the shower, when your pores are really open, this is usually when I'll do, a facial, a clay facial, like this. So we're going to give this 3 minutes, like recommended. So I'm going to count down 3 minutes. Don't worry, I'll be back in 3 minutes. So just hold tight, 3 minutes, I'll be back. Okay, so I went ahead and rinsed it off. It rinses actually very well, off your face. I just didn't want to all the water and stuff on camera. But as I see automatically, my skin feels very good. My pores are minimized. I mean, this stuff is really, really nice. Again, it's not something that you use every day. It's, part of, like a weekend routine that I do because I have more time to do it. You leave it on for 3 minutes, and I tell you, this stuff it's really, really nice on the skin. So I would recommend that clay mask. So, all right, so we're going to go on with some moisturizer, and it's a little later in the day, so I'm probably not going to go out in the sun. So I'm going to just go with the Hydrodynamic Ultimate moisturizers. What I'm going to go with, this one, because I'm not going anywhere, so I don't need sunscreen on. And I usually, like to apply my moisturizer like this instead of putting in your hands. To me, it just feels like majority of the moisturizer, whatever the product is, gets, on your hand and not on your face. So I'm just gonna mix this in. I mean, my face feels so clean, so fresh and so clean, after after the clay mask. I mean, this is a really, really easy, simple, this skincare regimen is something that I do twice a week. You can't go wrong with these products. And then, last but not least, I finish it off with the Renewing Eye Cream for those of us with mature eyes, as I have said before. And I'll just take a small pump, really small amount, because this is one of those products, a little goes a long way. And so I'll, take it and just kind of smear it under each eye, like so. Make sure I get it all, and just kind of work it in right up to where, the corners of my eyes are, and just kind of massage it in that way. and really just kind of work it in as such. And then why I'm patting it, I have no idea. Okay, and so that is, in a nutshell, my very easy and simple skin regimen that I am actually using right now. I've been using probably since about July or August of last year. If not, yeah, it's probably actually around August, September. And I really, really like it. I like the Murad products. I like the way they make my skin feel. You know, again, a skincare regimen is only beneficial to you and your skin, especially if you wear makeup. It's, you know, it's definitely essential. So, you know, if you don't have, you know, some sort of skincare routine, you know, just try to, I mean, there's plenty of products, you know, out there in the market you can buy. This is just what I'm using right now. And to review, it's the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser is my cleanser. And then I have my moisturizer, the Balancing Moisturizer with SPF. My Renewing Eye Cream for the mature eyes. And then there's also the moisturizer, the Hydrodynamic Moisturizer. And then the Pore Rescue Skin Smoothing Polish, which is more of an exfoliator. And again, this is something that I use once or twice during the week. And then last but not least, the big daddy here, the Dior Life Pores Away Pink Clay Mask, which I think you'll like. It's a very nice product. Makes your skin feel really, really good. Minimizes those pores, especially for those like me. I have oily skin, but I don't have problematic skin, but it's oily, especially in the T-zone. Otherwise, it's pretty normal, and it does help minimize those pores. So that's my updated skincare routine. I hope you guys like it. I will list all the products, you know, down below, and hopefully you got something from this. And I will update this, I'm sure, in another few months when I switch to another skin regimen, you know, of products. But, you know, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm open to all of your feedback, your thoughts, your comments, because they can only help me get better, my channel get better. I'm just here to really have a good time and bring you some of the things that I like. So hopefully you've enjoyed this. You guys have a great day. And LaTanya Kristina is out. I'll see you soon.